Yeah, you want to plug in your stuff in there? Oh, actually, your stuff, it's on,
I
my videos.
I hacked into your site, into your YouTube channel, and plugged myself without even telling you.
So Bryan is actually, I have a link to your site on all my videos, right? Because I'm supposed, if anyone ever takes me seriously enough to try to do some branding or advertise on my channel, then I don't want to talk to him. I'm going to send them to Bryan because he knows how to make those deals. I don't know how to make those deals, right? I don't. And so, yeah, if you're interested, if you're watching this and you want to advertise in my channel, I get a lot of people that are interested in batteries. I kind of got all the people I thought, but no, this is a big world. There's a lot of people and stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in advertising my channel and you want to talk to someone that knows what they're talking about, yeah, click on my link on the bottom of this video and then, get in contact with Bryan. He knows what he's doing.